Today, you're going to learn how to make $60 an hour by just testing websites online. But before that, I invite you to click the first link in the description. This will take you to a free course that teaches you the exact method that I personally use. With that method, anyone can make money from home, at the beach, traveling the world, wherever you want to be. You just need a laptop and internet connection, and the course is an in-depth, beginner-friendly, step-by-step method so anyone and their cat can follow it. So click that link right now, and let's get into the video. User testing is a website that helps big companies like Walmart, Facebook, Airbnb, and loads of others test their website. And they can test the website to see if it's intuitive and easy to use, and they will pay normal people like you and me to test their website. So we'll click the Get Paid to Test up in the right corner right here. So as you can see right here, you can earn $10 per test. Just visit a web page or an app, complete a set of tasks, speaking your thoughts out loud, and then you get paid $10. So you just sign up, and then you just need to verify your email address. I actually want to show you that this method is legit, and I just searched up user testing review on Reddit, and someone asked, is usertesting.com legit? Has anyone tried it and actually been paid? What's the catch? And let's see here. It sure is legit. I made a few $100s in 2016 doing it. I really enjoyed it, and I always received a 4 to 5 star and positive feedback. I like to be doing it full time, but I only seem to manage 1 or 2 tests a week and sometimes nothing at all. Okay, so that's good. Is usertesting.com legit? Yes. Has anyone tried it and actually been paid? Yes, many times. Is there a catch? There is no catch. People need the work done, so we are paid to do it. You see, some people are making results like this here. So I found this as well. Made 60 USD in 60 minutes with user testing today. Blown away. So you can make $60 in 1 hour just by doing this. And he has proof right here. So we can just check that out. $60 right there for just 1 hour of work. That's crazy. So let's see the comments here. Please let us know if you got paid in your payment processor. I don't think that your proof is already approved. Okay, so they are actually saying that, oh, that is fake because it's just on the user testing website, but not OP. So that's not the original poster. But as you can see, this guy is getting paid by user testing in his PayPal account. So really nice. People are getting paid. It's a happy days. It's just happy days. And there's more people saying it's legit. I made hundreds on there. So it's a good method to do. And then you just need to verify your email address. So just go to our email. It may take a few minutes before you get this, but user testing support. Complete your action today to become a test participant with user testing. So just complete your application. You have to download a screen recorder for you to record your screen, and you have to talk into a microphone that you have in your headphones, or you can talk into, like for example, your Apple AirBuds or anything like that. So we're going to download the screen recorder right here, and just keep our software will walk you through the task, record your session, and upload it to our server. So it's just a really nice software that you need to have in order to do this method. Just like that, we just opened it down in the left corner right there, and we hit install. Now it's done. We just click finish, and then we can continue. And right here we can see an applicant's sample video. So this is what you're going to make to actually be able to use these tests, because they're going to check your quality of your video and so forth. So we're just going to go on to the next tab. So we're just going to watch this video just to see what we're going to do. Okay, this looks pretty simple. We're going to try and do this video as well, and click the button below to open our screen recording software. Okay, launch recorder, open user testing. Let's see how it looks. Read the following sentence. Oh, okay. That was. So this is what we need to do. We need to find a quiet place, hide any windows you don't want recorded, continuously speak your thoughts out loud, try to complete each task. So you don't even need to complete the task. You just need to continuously speak and speak your thoughts out loud. Let's go and start recording. So I'm going to try right now. So I've now done the test, and it was just easy. It was just to go through a couple of different things, and it was quite nice. So I'm just gonna write how what specifically made it easy or difficult for you to find what you're looking for. I'm just gonna write something like that, and then we're preparing to upload. So we're just gonna upload that. Upload is successful. So here we are for thanking you. They're thanking me for completing the sample test. Okay, keep your eye on your inbox. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. So now we're actually done with user testing. We have applied to be a participant. And now the only thing we have to do is just wait for them to send us emails, and we will get tasks that we need to complete just in our email inbox. And that's it. There are plenty of people making hundreds of dollars a week just doing this simple method of testing websites and doing tasks on website, just speaking their own mind and sharing their own thoughts. And that's why this is so great, because if you don't have a lot of time, you can actually do some of these tasks and you will get some money from it. The only problem I see with this method is that you have to rely on getting the jobs. I imagine that there are only a few participants to test websites, so it might be a little dry at times, but if you're doing the method in the free course I've linked in the description, you're actually going to learn how to make money online doing what you love. And it's all passive income as well. That means that you get money coming into your pocket on autopilot. Check out the free course in the link below. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you like videos about how to build a business, how to make money online. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.